Based on the EMF electromotive force that is related to electric current or electricity. So basically, electromotive force is defined as the energy given to 1 coulomb, or energy given in 1 coulomb is known as electric motive force. It is measured in volts. An instrument used to make electromotive force work is transducer. So here it is a battery. Now how EMF actually works, let's take a look on that. Just suppose that you have connected the ends of the battery to the wires. Like the negative terminal is connected towards the positive terminal by wires. Now what will happen? There will be transfer of the electric current from the positive terminal to the negative one. Now, the thing to be noted is that if there is a constant transfer of the positive terminal or positive charges to the negative charges, so what will happen? Basically, then this negative terminal will turn into the positive one, and this positive terminal will somehow become neutral. So, if we have to understand the electromotive force, so we'll simply just say that the electromotive force is a medium that makes the positive terminal stay positive by providing it the positive charges, and the negative terminal to stay negative by providing it the negative charges. Apart from that the potential difference is going how? Apart from that, the positive charges are being transferred into negative charges. It basically works as the medium to make the positive terminal stay positive and negative terminal stay negative. So this is the easiest way to understand the EMF, and I hope that it is now clear to you all. Basically, EMF is the person who gives the positive things or positive charges to the positive one and negative charges to the negative one. And that's all about today's lecture. Thank you.